Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful wig. This is a frontal wig and I'm going to be showing you how I did it.
Neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out.
I've mixed this hair before. I did a video showing how I mixed this 613 and color 30 together before. I'll put a link in the description box so you can go check it out.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
You want to crochet the hair before you start the braids.
I'm singing, take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
So I divided the hair into two, one slightly bigger than the other, then I started braiding. I'm just trying to show it a second time so you get it. I know the video is a bit fast. Hopefully you're able to get what I was trying to show you on this video. So without talking too much, this wig is pretty much straightforward. It wasn't too difficult to do because I already ventilated the frontal before I started braiding it. If you want to see how I ventilated the frontal, I'll try and post a video of that. I'll try and post a video of that. Let me know if you want to see that.
I hate all this overthinking.
So I just continued braiding the hair, the wig till I got to the top.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
I didn't want to make this hair too full and heavy, so I did the back in a bricklaying method, so the one will fall in the middle of it, so the hair won't be either too full or too scanty when you wear the wig.
All this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim,
I'm just trying to start the knotless braid because I did the knotless braid method. If you want, I didn't really show a proper way of doing knotless, but if you want to see a proper video or a dedicated video of how to do knotless on a braided wig, let me know in the comment section and then I'll try and do a video of that for you.
to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
So I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube, so you guys can let me know in the comment section what you want to see, and then I'll try my best to deliver it. Also, I'm trying to get into the habit of either doing a voiceover on my videos. Hopefully it's not that bad.
Lies, the playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
If you've been watching my channel from the beginning, you can see that I've only got 2 videos of me showing my face on my YouTube channel. Not that confident being on camera, but this year I want to try and change that. I want to be more consistent.
World of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of.
If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up.
Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
So after I finished braiding the wig, this is how it turned out, and I'm just going to put it in hot water so the hair can feel more flexible and relaxed. So this is how the end is, and this is how the wig is looking before I put it in the hot water. If you have watched this video to this end, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys.
It feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers.
So this is the finished product of the wig. You see, it's not too full and it's not too scanty as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.